My name is Arman. I am from Cougar Motorsport, the organization that holds the India franchise for the Rainforest Challenge. It's a Malaysian event that we are hosting. This is the 11th year that we are back in Goa hosting the event. Past 10 years, we started in 2014 and we had a category of extreme vehicles, highly modified cars which come from people driving them from all across the country and internationally as well. This year, in the 11th year, we've changed the format of the event and we're expecting 77 teams from 11 states. We've also had a first entry for the first time from Meghalaya this year. Amongst this, the format of the event is that we have a 6-day event and there's going to be special stages every day where these contestants are going to come, they're going to put their skills to the test in these cars. All 6 days, the extreme vehicles will run under the stages. The stages are split between 3 locations in Goa, so we're going to be spending 2 days in Kepe, 2 days in Raya, and 2 days in Varna. Tomorrow, right here, as you can see today, there is a scrutiny day in which we're checking the vehicles and doing an inspection. Tomorrow, this will continue for a new category that we have added, which is the modified category for vehicles which are slightly less than this, but also up to the mark. And then the day after that, we also are expecting stock vehicles, which are nearly factory-specific cars, which are going to come and also compete. So these cars will be competing for 6 days, those for 4 and the remaining for 2. At the end of it, we're going to have a grand prize distribution in Mobor at the Holiday Inn for all contestants. The stages are common. I think the stage is set.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ujjwal Namsham. I'm from Arunachal, and
my name is Chetan Changappa. I'm from Karnataka. So this year we both got together. Last year we participated in the same event, but we couldn't place first. We had overall second. Unfortunately, cars had a lot of issues and things like that. So this year we have come prepared. So we have a club called Mocha, which is supported by JSW Sunblock Motors. So thanks to JSW for the sponsor, and we are here with them. So we want to really do well this year.